very fun as well, something that we have not tried before. So all in all, this is something that I've never experienced in Singapore. So I think something that I will definitely share with my mommy friends, so you guys can come down and check it out yourself.
The most prominent thing will be the nature element, which for her is that we are like city kids in Singapore, so we are usually going to shopping malls, indoor playgrounds. We tend to have lesser opportunities to mingle with nature elements.